Here at Sanland Equipment in Papakura, Auckland, New Zealand, we've been at the forefront of the crushing and screening industry since 1996. Our dedicated team has well over 100 years of combined experience in the crushing and screening industry, and we're continually improving our customer service and industry standards. Our mission? To provide the best bulk material processing and handling equipment and spare parts to vital industries such as quarrying, mining, and recycling. Let's step inside and see how we're making a difference together. Welcome to Sanland Equipment.
For many years, Sanland has supplied crushing and screening equipment to the industry, holding many of it on stock. From jaw crushers to cone crushers, to horizontal shaft impactors, to Cumby hammer mills, to vertical shaft impactors, including the conveyor belts that move product from one machine to the other. Sanland can provide or make whatever the customer needs for their aggregate plant. We do static, we do modular, and we do mobile. While the competent supply of equipment is essential, just as essential is the backup service that we provide. Sanland holds more parts than anybody else in New Zealand on the shelf, and we back up our machinery every time.
At Sanland Equipment, we recognise the critical importance of having the right parts on hand for our customers' needs. That's why we invest heavily in maintaining a well-stocked inventory with a supply chain network that spans across 5 continents. For parts in stock, our goal is same-day or next-day dispatch. Led by a team of experienced mechanical engineers, our equipment and parts designs are engineered to outperform the competition. We are problem solvers at heart, and with well over 100 years of combined experience involved in the local design process, we can provide the most optimal solution available, not tied to any single brand or manufacturer of machinery. With the fully equipped workshop, we're equipped to handle repairs, equipment servicing, and modifications with efficiency and expertise. Plus, our in-house design and fabrication team specialises in creating bespoke plants to meet your specific needs. Here at Sanland Equipment, we know that no two operations or problems are the same. That's why we're here to listen to you. Feel free to drop by our location here in Auckland or visit us online at sanlandequipment.co.nz.